Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane, back to you with another stock pick of the day. Today we're going to cover 3M, and these are going to be quick hitters, guys. We're just going to pull back as the market pull back. We're going to cover some of the stocks that we feel are undervalued. And today, like I said, we're going to cover 3M. So let's get right to it. As you can see here, 3M, ticker MMM. At the close of business, $143.48. It actually was up on the day, 1.79%. It looks like it's up a little more in the after hours, 143.61. Previous close was 140, open was 141. 52-week range, it's been down as low as $139.74, up a little bit off of that low, but as high as $208.95. As you can see here, a PE of 14.18. And guys, if you don't know what the beta is, I don't always cover this, but this basically tells you where it's at compared to the rest of the market. So volatility wise, if it's a 1 or below, 1 equals the market, below is less volatile than market. Anything over a 1 and the further away you get from 1 obviously is more volatile, and the lower you go is less volatile. So obviously 3M is less volatile than the overall stock market. So I don't always cover that, but that's what beta is. If you didn't know that, its market cap is 81.941. As you can see, again, it up a little bit on the day here, but overall over the last 6 months, definitely on a downtrend. It may continue to go lower again, so you can get it closer to that 139.74. That's great, but to me, anything under 150 for 3M is a buy all day. It has a forward dividend yield of $5.96. paid out quarterly, so divide that 596 by 4. That'll tell you what its payments will be. Has a yield of 4.3%, which is extremely high for 3M. Usually 3M is in the mid to high 3% range, so anything over 4% again speaks to 3M being undervalued. Its ex-dividend date was February 17th, so you've missed that. So it'll be coming up again here in May, and their 1-year estimated target is $170.31. And this information is from Yahoo Finance, and it says 310 here, guys, but this is the 14th, so disregard the date. I just didn't change that. Apologies there. And then again, 3M Company, we're going to look at some information from stockanalysis.com. And again, I'm not affiliated with Stock Analysis or yahoo.com, but this is where I go, or one of the places I like to go for information. So you could do the same. You can look at any of these stocks yourself and kind of get an idea of where they're at. So 3M, 143.48, according to 31 stock analysts, that's who's looked at this. 31 different analysts have said it could go as low as 136.35. So again, that speaks to that 139. If you can get it around there, great. Maybe watch for a pullback. The average is $177.74, so that'd be 23.88% return. The median is 25.83, and the high is as high as $220. So they think it'll capture, or some of them think it'll capture new highs over the next year, and that speaks to a 53.68% for a boring old dividend stock, guys. The consensus is hold, so they're saying if you own it, hold it. Maybe look for this pullback towards 136 and pick it up there. To me, I've been adding it at 145, 144, 143 in this range, and I'm trying to build out that position. If it gets down to 136, I'll continue to add it, and I'll probably add it even if it goes up to 150. Guys, if you like content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Like the video if you found any value in the content. Share with anyone you think that might find value in the content. And drop me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you're doing in your portfolios. Really love to hear about it. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I am only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you are not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.